Hi. Do you ever freeze up when someone says, "Hi, how are you," in English? Today, that changes. We're teaching you 10 simple English greetings native speakers use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll be able to greet anyone with confidence. Let's go.
Welcome back to Learn English Conversation Daily,
The channel where you learn real, everyday English, one conversation at a time.
If this is your first time here, hit subscribe, because we post a new lesson just like this every week. Let's start simple. Phrase 1, hi, or hello.
That one's easy. I say that every day.
Exactly, it works anytime, anywhere. Like, hi. Nice to see you. Next, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
This one's a little more formal, right? Good for work or meeting someone new?
Exactly. For example, good morning. How was your weekend?
Okay, my turn. Everyone knows this one. How are you?
Right, the classic follow-up. Like, hi Sarah. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? Phrase 4, nice to meet you. Use this the first time you meet someone.
So if I say, "Hi, I'm Alex," you'd say?
Nice to meet you, Alex.
How do I ask someone's name, though?
Simple, what's your name? I'm Maria. And to introduce yourself, my name is. Or just, I'm.
Like, "Hi everyone, my name is Daniel." What if I want to know where someone's from?
Ask, where are you from? I'm from Brazil. And you? Phrase 8, a common question about someone's job. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you? What about when I already know someone?
Then say, it's great to see you again. Like, hey Tom. It's great to see you again. And finally, how we say goodbye, take care, or see you later.
Easy. Okay, I have to go. Take care.
Good morning. I don't think we've met. What's your name?
Hi. I'm Jenna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Spain. What do you do, Jenna?
I'm a nurse. What about you?
I'm a student. Well, it was great meeting you. Take care.
You too. See you later. Okay, now it's your turn.
In the comments below, introduce yourself using at least 3 phrases from this video.
Like, "Hi, my name is _____. I'm from ____. And I'm a _____.
We'll be reading and replying to comments, so don't be shy. Practice makes progress. Let's do a quick recap. We learned how to say hello.
Ask someone's name, introduce yourself, ask where they're from.
Ask about their job, and say goodbye.
That's everything you need for a simple, friendly first conversation in English.
If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Next time, we're learning how to order food in English, perfect for travel. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.